Today, I'll show you how to downgrade your Klaviyo plan efficiently. Whether you're looking to save costs or simply need fewer features, adjusting your plan is straightforward. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you need to access your Klaviyo account. Once you've logged in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you will see your account or profile name. Click on it, and a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the billing option. This is your gateway to managing your subscription details and making any necessary changes. Once you're on the billing page, you'll notice a Change Plan button prominently displayed on the overview page. Go ahead and click on this button. It's designed to give you an overview of your current plan and the flexibility to make adjustments according to your needs. This is where you'll start the process of downgrading to a different plan. Now, you'll be presented with a range of product plans. Each plan offers different features and limits, so take a moment to review them carefully. You're looking for the plan that best meets your current requirements. Once you've identified the plan you'd like to switch to, find the Edit button next to it and click. In the next step, you'll have the opportunity to choose lower limits. This essentially means selecting a plan with fewer resources or features than your current one. Be sure to consider the limitations of each option. For instance, if you're opting for a plan with fewer emails or contacts, ensure it aligns with your expected usage to avoid any disruptions in your campaigns. Also, keep in mind that downgrading your plan can affect the features available to you, so it's important to reassess your current needs. If your business has experienced changes, such as a reduced number of active campaigns or a smaller audience size, moving to a lower-tier plan can be a financially savvy decision. After you've made your selection, Klaviyo will typically confirm the change and inform you about any potential impact on your billing cycle. It's always a good idea to double-check this information to ensure that the change aligns with your budget and marketing goals. Lastly, if you encounter any issues or have questions during the downgrading process, Klaviyo's customer support is a valuable resource. They can provide guidance and assist with any concerns you might have, ensuring a smooth transition to your new plan. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to downgrading your Klaviyo plan. By following these steps, you can adjust your plan to better suit your current needs and budget. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful guides. Until next time, happy marketing.